What's up, y'all? Yes, Pooh, period. Get y'all lip gloss. Get your lip gloss. But I'm going to be showing y'all how to apply mink eyelashes. First, you're going to need, of course, the lashes. You're going to need a mirror so you can see what you're doing. You're going to need a tweezer. Next, you're going to need eyelash glue. Some people use hair glue. And you're also going to need mascara and some scissors. So first, you're going to take the eyelash out the box. And you're going to measure it up against your eye to make sure that it fits. And if it doesn't fit, you're just going to cut off the excess. Now, once you have cut off the excess, you're going to grab the eyelashes in the middle with the tweezers or with your hands and apply the glue. Don't apply too much and don't apply too little. Now, you have to let it dry because you don't want to put it on your eye while it's too wet because then the eyelash is just going to fall right off. So you want to shake it, blow on it, whatever you choose to do to get the glue a little tacky. And then after maybe 20 seconds or when you feel like the glue has dried down a little, then that's when you will apply the eyelash. When applying the eyelash, you grab it by the middle with the tweezer, place the middle of the eyelash onto the middle of your eyeball. And once that is set in place, you grab this one side, pull that down, grab the other side, pull that down. And it might not be perfect. You might get glue all over the place, but I just wipe it right on off and boom, I'm good. Once you feel that the eyelash is on, then you can use your fingers to pinch it together with your real eyelashes and to make sure that it's sticking on properly. Ooh, child. Told y'all it ain't gonna be perfect. But since the eyelash decided to lift up, I decided to let it dry a little bit. So I fanned it, and then that helped to keep it stuck onto my eyeball. I keep saying eyeball, but y'all know what I mean, my eyelid. Period. What dramatic. Yes, yes. And this is me wiping off the extra glue that I got on my eyelid. And next we're going to do the same exact thing we did with this eye to the other eye. Grab the lash in the middle, measure it, apply the glue, make sure the tweezers are in the middle, place the middle of the eyelash in the middle of your eyelid, let that stick down, pull one side down, and then pull the other side down. Pinch together, and then you're good. And I know y'all see my lip gloss. Lip gloss is popping. Is it or is it not? Is it or is it not? My camera kept falling, but we're going to ignore that. Look at my lip gloss, though. Popping, period. And yes, that's the new gloss in the shade Miller. The ombre gloss. Yes, that's it. That's definitely my new favorite lip gloss. Because why is it so shiny? Like, period. I'm going to keep saying period because eyelash popping, lip gloss popping, period. see my edges misbehaving, don't say nothing, because I see you looking at them. I see you because I'm looking at them. So don't say nothing. I tried to put some edge control on them, but they just don't want to behave. They just disobedient. So stop looking at them. Lastly, final step, you're gonna grab some mascara and put it on your real eyelashes so it looks like that the fake eyelashes are yours. You're just blending yours and the fake ones together. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want these lashes, want the lip gloss, link in the description down below.